At 2:03 a.m., I got paid. I didn't send a message. I didn't jump on a call. An AI found the lead, qualified them, built a proposal, and closed the deal. But here's the part no one tells you. The first time I built this system, it completely failed. 3 months ago, I was doing everything manually, replying to messages, chasing leads, building proposals from scratch, no system, no leverage, just work. So I rebuilt everything from scratch and turned it into a 24/7 S.C.A.L.E employee. And there's one part of this system that actually closes the deal. I'll show you that in a minute. Most business owners are stuck doing what I call digital manual labor. It feels productive, but it's actually the reason they're stuck. Because anything you repeat should be automated. Most people use AI like a chatbot. That's why they get small results. I use AI to build employees. And this system runs on just 3 steps: capture, think, deliver. Step 1 is capturing the lead. We use Lindy AI to deploy an intake agent. Its job: act like a senior sales assistant. It doesn't just reply. It qualifies budget, timeline, problem, and here's the difference. We're not giving it a prompt. We're giving it a role, so now every message becomes structured data your system can use. Now this is where 99% of people get it wrong. They automate everything, even bad leads, so we add one simple rule: if the budget is above $1,000, move forward. If not, ignore it. Now your AI isn't just working, it's making decisions. And this is what separates automation from a real system. Now this is the part that changes everything. We take that qualified lead and turn it into a full proposal using Gamma. Watch this in under 30 seconds. A complete client-ready presentation, custom, clean, high value, built from the exact problem the client described. This is the part that actually closes the deal. This is how a client went from a simple message to a full proposal, to a $1,500 payment without me doing anything manually. This isn't automation, this is leverage. Right now, someone else is building systems like this, and they will take the opportunities. So the real question is, will you keep working? Or will you build something that works for you? If you want the exact templates I used, check the link in the description. I'll be in the comments for the next 60 minutes. I'm Queen, this is AutoAI Lab HQ. Stop chatting with AI. Start deploying it.